First of all, I would like to welcome for all of you. I feel more than happy to get the opportunity. Me and my friend Babla will present you about astronomy. My name is Gamla Kuzuna. I come from grade 10D and she is from 10A. So, to start my presentation, do you know astronomy? Or have you heard about astronomy before now? I think all of you know about astronomy because it's very famous discipline in Ethiopia. So if you know about astronomy, today I'm gonna present you about astronomy with more organized form. So as I think, you will get information, it's enough information for you about astronomy after my presentation. So let's start my presentation. I need your full attention. When I start with the meaning of astronomy is a Greek word which comes from which is composed of astro and nomia. Astro means star and nomia means law. So astronomy is the law of stars. That's the meaning of astronomy. But the question is, what is the general meaning of astronomy? The general meaning of astronomy is a study of science that deals with everything beyond the Earth's surface. So as we heard, the general and the literal meaning of astronomy. So let me give you some information about the historical background of astronomy. When you see the historical background of astronomy, the first astronomical observation was made by Babylonians, which were the ancient civilization of Mesopotamia, and which is now the southern part of Iraq. So it's all about the definition of astronomy. The second one is our types of astronomy. There is a lot of types in the world for astronomy, but because of the vast discipline, but now I'll present you some of them. The first one is planetary. What's planetary? Planetary is our planets, including the moons and the ring system and gas clouds. The second one is our solar system. Like this one is only lighting, so this lighting may be a planet. So you can differentiate a star from planet by only our eyes. There's no need of instrument like telescope. You can see them by our night eyes. So my friend will present some planets are seen by our naked eyes, like Jupiter and others. Should present. So after I say this all things about astronomy, I think you have a clue about astronomy. Some enough information. So you can make a question that why we learn astronomy, what the use of astronomy, without any importance. Why we learn? At this time, everything is give and take. Without any importance, we do not do anything. So there is a lot of uses for astronomy. From them, I'll present you three of them. The first one is safety, the second one is future research, and the third one is to know more. The first one is about safety. When you say safety, in the last centuries, there were many things that can distract us. For example, in 1859, there is the sun launches an enormous magnetized plasma. If such solar event hit our world, it is estimated to cause damage and measured in trillions of dollars. Think about it. It's not millions, it's not billions, it's trillions of dollars. So because of our developed astronomy capacity, it couldn't happen. So it's very great use for us. The second one is for future resource. As you know, there are two types of resources in the world. The first one is renewable resource, and the second one is non-renewable resource. So these non-renewable resource, or those finite resources, are essential for us because if it's finished or disappeared at one time, what will be? It's essential for us, yeah. So our astronauts search for solutions that can solve this problem by searching at planets that are found in the universe, and if they get those non-renewable things, they extract them and we use here at Earth, and our finite resource or non-renewable resource will be used for next generation. So it's very great use for us. By the way, in one of the moons of Jupiter, there is a diamond. Those diamonds are found in the Jupiter, but until now our astronauts can extract them because of some problems. But if it succeeds, we can get a lot of diamonds for us. The next one is to know more. When I prepared for this presentation, even after I trained at Harvard University, me and my friends search for new things, search about astronomy to know more. So this is a great use for us because it's a very vast discipline that appreciates us to know more. As you know, humanity is not limited. They want to know more and more. They want to invent new things. They want to make their life easy. So this astronomical study is the widest of this astronomical study appreciates those pupils who want us to know more and more. So generally, astronomy is useful to us to know where we was, where we are, and where we go. It's all about astronomy and the definition of astronomy. Thank you for your listening. And then my friend Baba will continue her presentation.
Let's continue. You already know that astronomy is a science. So something in order to be